Caterpillars don't just grow wings in a cocoon, they completely dissolve into liquid first. We all know caterpillars turn into butterflies, but most people have no idea what actually happens inside that cocoon. Here's what actually happens. The caterpillar seals itself inside and releases enzymes that liquefy its entire body. Organs, muscles, everything melts into biological soup. Only tiny clusters of cells called imaginal discs survive. These discs contain the blueprint for wings, legs, antennae. They float in the goo and start building a completely new creature from scratch. The caterpillar dies and gets rebuilt as something else entirely. And somehow, studies confirm this, the butterfly remembers things the caterpillar learned. Memories survive total body dissolution, total liquefaction, total rebuild, and it remembers. That's actual magic hiding in biology.